trade has increased over the decades, both in advanced and developing economies. A major driver of economic growth, it fuels development and prosperity in the modern world. International trade has also contributed to the reduction of poverty. However, as the world economy moved from crisis to recovery over the last several years, there has been some concern about the effects of trade liberalization on growth, jobs, and income inequality. Many countries have resorted to measures aimed at protecting their domestic markets, since trade has grown quite slowly in tandem with sluggish global economic activity. If the rise in protectionism continues, could it take a toll on productivity and incomes? Though trade has helped drive economic growth over the longer run, some countries have not capitalized on its benefits. This is true of many countries in Latin America and the Caribbean. The region's relatively low integration into global markets may be affecting its chances to reinvigorate growth. In addition, income inequality in Latin America and the Caribbean is among the highest in the world. So would stronger trade integration help or hurt income distribution? A study was conducted by the IMF to explore the relationship between trade, economic growth, and inequality, with a special focus on Latin America and the Caribbean.
Our research used a cross-country approach to analyze the impact of international trade on economic growth and inequality. We studied the experiences of countries in the region and across the world, including the effects of major trade liberalization episodes. We also considered other characteristics of the region's trade integration, such as its main export markets and products.
Increasing trade with advanced economies could provide the best prospects for the region, in part because the exchange of knowledge and technology would improve productivity. But increased regional trade integration can also augment the growth benefits of trade. It could help boost many regional initiatives. The highly integrated Asian region is a positive example of how this could be done.
Our research finds that trade integration can foster economic activity and is positive for growth. Our analysis also suggests that trade openness does not have an adverse impact on the overall income distribution.
In fact, studies show that countries which remained closed to trade had a marked increase in income inequality relative to those that liberalized trade. And to protect the vulnerable or those affected adversely by trade, countries should establish strong social safety nets to ensure that the gains from trade benefit all. Doing so would also marshal the much-needed support from the public in the region and help advance trade integration.